Back to my channel. So for this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I put together my fall porch. I really didn't have a plan going into this. I kind of just threw it all together, got some pumpkins, got some hay, and kind of tinkered with it. Also got a lot of mums, forgot to mention that. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is what I started out with. This is just my front porch. I have a rug and the wreath I made before. First step, I started with some hay bales. I got these from Lowe's. And then I took an old sheet and just kind of put it over the top to make somewhat of a bench. Then I took these crate looking things that I made last year for my Christmas trees and I set them on either side. I got these mums from Costco. They're actually gigantic. They were $10 a piece. Now for my front door, I got this buffalo check rug from Hobby Lobby. And I also got this Hello rug from Hobby Lobby as well. Next, I put even more mums into this other box planter that I made for my tablescape last year. I'll link that video in the description as well. Next, I'm tucking these fabric pumpkins and these real pumpkins in to just fallify it up. Next, I took some just spare wood planks that I had to give this pumpkin a little bit of a stand to kind of elevate it up. I took these baskets from Walmart and I put my mums in them. Forgot to mention that these mums are also from Costco. It was 4 bushels of mums for $10, so I couldn't pass it up. Now I'm just kind of playing around and placing pumpkins where I think they look kind of nice. Then I just took some hay from the hay bales and kind of just tucked it into the places to fill it in and make it look more country-esque. Inevitably the hay is gonna fall anyway, so I just kind of made the messy look part of it. And this is what it looks like all finished. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it inspires you to tackle your front porch or any other fall related decor that you want to. I had a lot of fun putting this together, especially when I was wearing my GoPro on my head. Yeah, the neighbors, everybody was outside and yeah, it was a time. Another thing is that the strap that you wear that GoPro around your head on, it left wavy marks in my forehead. Luckily, those weren't permanent, so we were good. But if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should. You'll see a bunch of behind the scenes stuff on there. I am definitely trying to be more active on there and interact with you guys. I love talking to you all about your projects and what you're working on, or just, you know, you commenting on how weird I am. That's a good one too. So anyway, I hope you guys all have amazing weeks and I will see you guys in the next video as always. Bye guys.